Let us look at the different formats in which we can publish our books. We have three main formats: the paperback, the hardcover, and the Kindle ebooks. These are the three formats which are acceptable on Amazon KDP. And why is book format important? It's important because, number one, some readers may prefer a physical book, while others may prefer a digital. Some books are best printed in paperbacks, others in hardcovers. So it's good to really understand which format do I really want to publish, or do I want to publish in the three formats. If we are talking of cost and profitability, of course the hardcovers are more expensive. The ebooks have no printing costs at all. Then if it's like the journals, the notebooks, the planners, they are best in paperbacks. The textbooks and collector's editions are best in hardcover. My advice would be, ensure that you print your book in the three formats. Yes, you can create a certain book, then you publish it. You ensure that it is in the three formats. You can put it as an ebook, you can put it as a hardcover, and you can put it as a paperback. So let us look at what is a paperback briefly. A paperback, this is just a soft cover made of flexible paper. In short, the paperback and the hardcovers, when you compare them, the hardcover is more durable, the paper compared to the paperback. But does it mean that paperback is bad? No, it's not. It's flexible, it's lightweight, and it's portable, and it is also more affordable. So when you talk of hardcover, of course, just as I have said, it's more thick, it's more expensive, more of a higher quality, and mostly it's used for textbooks or for the collector's editions. And what about the ebook? An ebook, of course, this is a digital book that can be read on Kindle devices, the smartphones, the tablets, computers, or any digital gadget. Publisher on KDP, which format should you choose? For the paperbacks, you can use them for journals, workbooks, novels, and planners. For the hardcover, they're best for premium books, textbooks, and even special editions. For the Kindle ebook, they are best for guides, fiction, self-help books, or books dealing with how to lose weight, recipes, and many others. As an author, the best strategy, as I had said, it's to publish all the three formats so as to maximize your sale. Yes, a book can be available in the three formats. And also some readers may like to have both physical and digital options. And also Kindle ebooks attract impulse buyers due to their low cost or affordability.